it's Megan Mize here with the Perry Company and Fortress Pro, and I'm here with Matt Marquez.
And today we're going to show you how to install your brand new Kawasaki half doors on your unit. Let's go.
Okay, here we have the latch brackets, the inner handles, driver and passenger. You have a driver and passenger latch bracket as well. Holes are offset. If you notice on the inner handles, the holes are offset as well. They'll line up with the handle bracket. Put your hardware in. We'll get these finger tight and snug them up. I like to push it all the way in, and then we'll just tighten these up real quick. These do have adjustability built into them, so when you go to fit it on the door, you'll need to make some changes there. If the doors don't line up properly, do the passenger side right now. This is the hardware for the door when you'll attach it to the door skin. Move those to the side. Now we'll walk through the striker. You'll have a front and a rear striker bracket. Front bracket's gonna have the slotted holes. Rear bracket will have the round holes. These are your striker pins, your steel washers, and your flange nuts. You'll do the striker pin, then a washer, bracket, washer, and then flange nut. And you'll do the same on the rear bracket as well. Striker pin and washer, bracket, washer, flange nut. You will use a 15 millimeter and a 6 millimeter, 15 millimeter wrench and a 6 millimeter hex wrench. And you'll see the adjustability right here as I can slide it up and down. Now we'll put it on the door. You're gonna use a 5/32 Allen head wrench and then a 7/16 wrench as well to tighten this up. Now we'll take off the door and the factory striker. I'm going to use a 12 millimeter socket, the 6 millimeter Allen wrench on the outside. Pull these off. we will not be using the OEM factory hardware. You'll use a 10mm right here to take off the factory striker bracket. Again, we will not be using this. We provide our own. Now we'll put the strikers on. They're slotted for adjustment. Now here we are going to put the hinge brackets on. Notice there's two notches, or there's a notch in the brackets. You're going to install this on the inside of the factory hinge with the notch facing down. The hardware you'll be using is 8mm by 20mm hex bolt, and then a M8 nylon lock nut. You're using a 13mm socket and a 13mm wrench. What I like to do here to install the door onto the hinges, so we'll pick it up and we'll snap the striker onto the handle right here, get it to hold in place, and then we'll put in the hardware from the outside in. So what you want to do when you close the doors, you want to hear 2 clicks. Now this is the B-pillar filler panel that we're going to install. This is going to seal up in between the doors right here. So what you're going to do is take 2 14mm wrenches. You're going to loosen the 2 bolts and the ROPs. You're not going to take them out, just loosen them up. And what we're going to do is slide this in. Shut the doors, and as you'll see, got you a nice seal around the front and the rear. Just repeat the same steps for the passenger side.